Hello guys, welcome to my channel Now Tech. So today I am explaining about how to create a list in Python. To create this Python code, I need to have a IDLE Python. So this is the Python IDLE editor where we need to be code our Python program. So before I start explaining how to create a list, let me clear you what is meant by a list. So a list is a collection of different items placing in certain area is called as a list. So list may be any number or string or characters. So in order to create a list, I need to make use of a variable. So that's your wish, you can take any variable name, as I am giving a variable name as a MPS. So as I said in my early class, every list will be enclosed within square brackets. So I am taking here square brackets. So I am passing some numbers. So it's not necessary to take the sequence number. Your wish, you can take random numbers. So the moment whenever you press enter button, so you will not get any output. Suppose if you want to know whether your list is created or not, then you need to press the same variable name, whatever the thing you created. So as I created my variable name is MPS, so I need to type here MPS, and the moment whenever I press enter button, so whatever the values I pass, same sequence you are getting here. So this is nothing but getting the complete list of items. But in case if I want to get only number 7 as a output from the list, then I need to make use of a index number. So as you people know that index number will be start from 0. So if I take first one, it will take index number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when I am interested to get the only one value, that is 7, then I need to be pass here MPS in square bracket, I need to pass 3. The moment whenever I press enter, then you will get a resultant value, that is 7. So likewise, if I want to get the first value, that is 1, then what I need to do, I need to place MPS in square bracket, I need to pass index value, that is 0. The moment whenever I press enter, then you are getting your number 1. So this is the method to get the particular item value from the list. But if I want to get some range value, just like from 1 to 7, then I need to take the help of index number, that is starting number as well as ending number. So for that purpose, I need to again take the example of MPS, which is my variable, and I need to pass here 0 to 3. So this 0 is the initial value of my index number. This is my ending index value which I am trying to get. So after that you need to press enter. See, now this is 0 value, this is 1 value, this is 2 value. So it's taking from 0 to 3 means 0 to 1 to 5. So similarly, if I want to get same as above, that is 1, 3, 5, simply you need to type 0 colon. If I mention enter, then you are getting all the values, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4. So I given here only starting index number, but I didn't given here ending index value. So it will take by default what is the last index number, that is going to be taken by this thing. So this is nothing but how to get the complete items from the list, or particular item from the list, or few of them or all of them. So these are the different methods to get the items from the list. Now if I want to insert a number after this 4, then I need to take the help of some method. That is, I need to type here MPS dot, I need to type append. So append means nothing but adding a new value at the end. That is number append. So whatever the value you are wishing to get last, you need to pass directly number. Suppose I am willing to get in my list last value is a 10. Then you press 10, and here whenever you want using method, you need to make use of a parenthesis, and you need to press a button called enter. So if I want to know whether my append value is added to the list or not, then you need to press same variable, that is MPS, and press a button called enter. See, here our list is 4, now we are getting here 10, which is added at the last. Same case, if I want to enter more than one value at a time at the end, then I need to make use of a method called extend. So I need right here extend. As usually it is a method, so I need to be open parenthesis. Here I need to give the in square bracket, because here I need to pass the group of items. So doesn't it I need to take here square bracket. Now I am passing same number 1, 2, 3. So as it is a Python list, you will have chance to take this same number also, it is going to be accepted. The moment whenever I press enter button, then this 1, 2, 3 is going to be added at the end of the existing list. Let me check. The moment whenever I press MPS and enter, see here, you are getting whatever the values you extended or added, that is you are getting here. So like this, you will have chance to pass the number of items for the existing list. Same case, if I want to place some number 2 between 193, then that can be possible by the help of a method called insert. So for that, I need to take the variable MPS dot, I need to take the help of a method called insert. So I need to take a parenthesis, and here it is saying to enter index number and item value. So I am typing here 1, 2. 1 is the index number and 2 is the value which I am wishing to get. So the moment whenever I press enter, I won't get anything. So if I want to check whether the 2 is inserted in the second place or not, then I need to press MPS and enter. Now you find whatever the value I given at the place of index 1, you are getting 2. So this is how to insert a value in between of the list. So similarly, if I want to delete the number, just like last number, that is 3, then I need to make use of a method called pop. So for that, I need to take the same variable name, that is MPS dot pop, and simply you need to make use of a parenthesis and press a button called enter. The moment whenever you press enter, see, whatever the last value is there, that is going to be deleted from my pop. The moment whenever I press MPS again enter, you may see the difference. Before pop, we'll have here item 3. After pop, there is no number 3. So this is how to delete or remove a number from the list. So similarly, if I want to delete the particular particular value from the list, then I need to type here MPS.pop, and I need to give the index value. Suppose I am willing to delete 5, then I need to type here 3 index number and press enter. See here. So index number is 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So third, whenever I am giving here a pop of 3, it is deleting 5. So this is how to delete our wish value from the list. Similarly, if I want to know my existing list, then what I need to do is I need to type MPS, I need to press a button called enter. So from here you may check here is before pop of 3 there is a pi number is there, so after pop of 3 there is no pi. So like this we are going to be delete the numbers or items from the list. So that's all for today's session. Thank you guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.